Cowie had no reason to change. They're
Well, it's the heaviest, strongest hull out there, right?
right, but it's also the most durable, cheapest to fix.
Yeah.
So you're kind of like, there's a little bit of if it ain't broke, why fix it?
Yeah, I get that. Yeah.
Plus, their production numbers weren't enough that it was like, ooh, we have a demand. The demand is so overwhelming that we need to throw $1 million into changing materials.
Sure.
Now, Yamaha did not want to get into a horsepower war. Yamaha did not want to get into the horsepower war of throwing numbers up on the side of the ski. My understanding is that back in like 2003 or 2004, they got caught with their pants down during the two to four stroke transition for motorcycles, and everyone was doing the numbers game and bumping their or talking, selling their numbers. And Yamaha, according to what was told to me at Cycle News, which pretty good source, Kit Palmer at Cycle News, was that one other magazine said, these numbers are bogus. There's no way. So they took all like the top four leading bikes, and Yamaha was really kicking ass and taking names. But there's a lot of guys who are like, dude, there's no way it's making whatever the advertised number was. And sure enough, they put it on a chassis dyno and they proved these bikes are not making what they're advertised. But Yamaha had the biggest gap. This is according to the story. And then suddenly a class action lawsuit sprang up. Wow. And the lawyers wanted that to disappear really fast. So they settled that. And their result was the lawyers coming in, kicking in the door and saying, take these numbers off and you're never advertising numbers again. Wow. So Yamaha doesn't advertise numbers. Now, what's funny is that they advertise the numbers on the EX and the EXR and then the Jet Blaster. But they don't advertise numbers on the supercharged stuff. SVHO, yeah. They won't advertise numbers. But they'll happily tell you that the HO makes 180 horse.
Yeah.
So anyways, because it's the leader. But when the SVHO only makes, 280, 285 at peak blip half a second horsepower, RPM, excuse me, everyone's like, it only makes 255. I'm like, no, it doesn't. It makes 280, 285, but it does it for like a second.
Yeah.
Right. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.